Kabayan, are you looking for a flood-free home in a prime Cavite location? Tara, let me show you Cuevasville, Molino 4, Bacoor, Cavite. Here in Cuevasville, you can enjoy exclusive amenities like the clubhouse, refreshing swimming pool and open spaces, perfect for family time. Sobrang accessible via Calax at malapit sa Metro Manila at iba pang key cities. Perfect ito para sa iyo kung yung hanap mo is pwedeng ma-customize or ma-modify ang bahay and choose your lot from 100 to 200 square meters depending on availability. By the way, yung corner na yan ay available pa. Ilang minuto lang mula sa malls, supermarkets, schools, hospital at iba pang essentials ang location nito. This sample unit you see is built by our trusted developer, and yes, even a 3-story home just like a client requested is possible and already under construction. At para naman sa price, it starts from 11 million pataas, depende sa lot area na iyong mapipili. Kaya naman kabayan,